Hi, good day. My name is Marius Varis. Welcome to Cloud Classroom. Today we will be building a robot. So starting off, I went and searched at the Hummingbird kit here on the internet, and I found some information about how to build a robotic kit. Then I decided what type of robot can I build. So I found an idea on paper mail for robots. I downloaded this picture here onto my desktop and I saved it here and the instructions as well. So you can see this is my instructions which I've downloaded and printed it out, which I'm going to move now to this table on the other side. Okay, so here's all my material which I found at the recycle depot, which basically is number one, I'll be having a cutter, some scissors, a ruler, a glue gun, and mostly cardboard and some styrofoam. So this is my basic instructions on how to build my robot. So then I started cutting. Just grab my chair. So you need to be comfortable and safety first. So if you work with a scissor, okay, I started cutting most of these shapes out. So this will be my first wheel. Using the glue gun and attaching all this cardboard pieces, I just designed those. Then after that, I made some arms. So as you can see, my robot will have some arms that will move automatic like this. So this robot will be having 4 arms which will be moving. So here is all my parts. The next step for me is to draw out this mouthpiece. So I've got to choose which jawline I'm going to choose here, as you can see. So I was busy drawing my design here, so I'm going to go with this one. As you can see there, that is going to be my jawline. I'm going to cut it out later on. But before that, I'm going to come back to the other parts of the computer that I can use. So basically what we've got here before me is my circuit boards and all my wiring. So if I touch, move, as you can see, the closer I move here, then the wheels will turn. If I move away, if I put it in the light and move my hand closer, that's how my robot will work. Now this will be attached onto my wheels, which has got the motion sensor, and this maybe will be the beak. So this will be my wheels for my robot, which I will use to attach. Just grab this one here. So this part automatically go onto this section here, in there, and
And are the kids having fun building these robots?
oh yeah, as soon as the school comes out, then the kids will flock here and help me with building this robot. They are so excited about this new project. It's something new to them.
And could we do this at the ICANN Center?
Surely this is something new. It can happen at the ICANN Center, and I hope that we can introduce it to the kids at the ICANN Center. So stay tuned for building the robot here at the Cloud Classroom. I'm Marius Varis, signing out. Bye!
Listen very carefully, I think building logically. You talk to this, I mean, I hit story.